Summer school is a hot place. We urgently need ice cream, ice pops, or lemonade. But what to do if no food is still allowed in class? Watch our new video to learn new ideas of how to sneak food into summer class. Phew! It's a real scorcher. It's stifling. Dolly managed to sneak an ice cream into class. She's enjoying the coolness. Miss Smith can't let her cool off. She confiscates her ice cream. Take it easy. My little minion will deal with it. Paint a thermos yellow. Hot glue 2 little plastic caps using a bridge to shape them like goggles. Paint them silver. Attach toy eyes. Cut out a felt strip. Hot glue it around the thermos cap. Attach the eyed goggles. Cut out red foam rubber overalls. Tape it to the thermos. Attach a pocket. Define the details using a black marker. Put ice cream into the thermos. I don't think your minion is a good substitution for my ice cream. It is! Look! My minion keeps sweet coolness inside. The problem is how to take it out. The blue-eyed girl has solved the problem. She has a special utility knife in her pencil case. Take apart a utility knife and remove the blade. Snip off a wooden spoon handle. Cut out a round hole. Assemble the knife. Insert the wooden handle instead of the blade. Dolly pulls out the wooden stick. It's so handy. She can sneakily enjoy the ice cream right in class. My minion pencil case is just a thermos in disguise. Miss Smith has the same, but she holds school supplies in her pencil case while we keep ice cream in ours. And she'll never suspect anything is wrong. The blue-eyed girl needs a paper clip. She sees Dolly has a whole cup of them. Oops! There's no paper clips in it. It's jelly. Let's take a spoon. Put colored gelatin in a few cups. Pour some water into one and stir. Pour a little colored liquid into an empty cup and let it cool. Cut some strawberries. Put it on top of the hardened jelly. Dissolve the gelatin of another color. Pour the mixture on top of the strawberries to make the second colored layer. Pour the third layer on top of the cool jelly. Repeat the layers, adding strawberries from time to time. Hot glue lots of colored paper clips to the inside of a clear container with a cap. Attach a foam rubber top to the cap. Embellish it with a paper clip. Put the jelly cup into the paperclip container. The blue-eyed girl is eating heartily. Be careful! Miss Smith is watching close by. The blue-eyed girl puts on the cap to disguise the jelly. Voila! It's a paperclip holder again. Miss Smith can't understand what's going on. She can usually smell the food, but now she sees only a lonely spoon. The teacher retreats without finding where the stash is. Phew! We can breathe easy again. The blue-eyed girl is hiding a refreshing cocktail under the desk, but Miss Smith's sharp eye can't let her enjoy the drink. What to do? Should I suffer from thirst? Well, I've got something totally awesome. We can drink lemonade right from the backpack. Cut a lemon in circles. Put them into a plastic pitcher. Add a few peppermint leaves. Pour in some water. Shape a loop out of a long, flexible tube. Hot glue to fasten. Put the long end into the pitcher. Hot glue the top. Put it into the backpack. My lemonade tube works well. Make it handier by putting the loop onto your ear, hidden by your hair. Enjoy the refreshing lemonade in class. The portable lemonade supply system is just what we need in the extra summer class. Miss Smith is sick of the heat. She wants to drink her Fanta without breaking the rule. But how can